Hello, I have Airways Good Luck Japanese single here to unbox for you. You can see which member plate I got. Tried to get different ones for each of the releases that have member plates. So let's turn this right. So, first up the sticker. Open it up. Ah! Oh gosh. Here, trophy strip. Okay, do this carefully. Good girl. The CD. Oh, so pretty. Oh. And so the back ready. Oh. Just a track listing. Good. And that up. So first this. This is the track listing. Oh, here, photo card. Ooh. Ooh. The lyrics. Oh. So let's see. Photo card. Oh, all of them. They look so happy. Oh, yes. Ah, that was it. Thank you so much for watching. I do hope you enjoyed. Bye.